friends, welcome back to my channel. And you are watching a 3-star hotel. In this video, we provide a detailed explanation of everything you need to know about this resort, like amenities, room category, location, landmark, facilities, and reviews also. You can see on the screen the hotel location, nearby attractions and landmark are also provided here. To see more than 100 of reviews of this hotel, you can go to agoda.com and check the rating is 7.8. It is the very good category 1. You can see on the screen room details like view, size, bed type, room highlight, facilities, amenities, and images, etc. Discuss the amenities of this hotel. As you can see on the screen, this hotel 6 policy. If you are planning to book, you can use the link provided in the description below. If you have any problem booking a room in this hotel, then you can drop a comment and we will help you. For bit more details about this property, please below the link in description. If you have visited this hotel, please share your experience in the comment box. If you are new to this channel or not subscribed yet, then must subscribe to our channel right now and press the bell icon so that